Hey guys, yeah, basically typed out everything that is important to me. So yeah, basically these kind of days are really difficult to me because I'm always like looking for the buy or for the longs. So yeah, I'm often like losing or getting stopped in such days because they are very high resistance to the upside and very difficult to trade. So actually, I entered right here without like getting my inversion family gap like I used to. That was definitely a mistake, and we also like didn't had any kind of short-term run-on stops. And then basically the entry right here is valid because we close above the inversion family gap, but we have really high resistance right here. So basically that's also like definitely recognizable on the 5 minute chart. So because we have the huge wicks to the downside, you always have like to rebalance the wick, and therefore with opening a new 5 minute candle, we always like rush down to at least like or near consequent encroachment. And this candle right here didn't reach consequent encroachment, and then we open up and just yeah, sweep the low of the 5 minute candle right here, trade all the way down, almost sweeping also like the low of the previous 5 minute candle. But yeah, really difficult. And now I I almost thought with trading higher right here, the setup would still be valid with having like my stop below the low right here. But as you can see right here, we only traded into the 5 minute fair value gap right here barely, and instantly like sold off. So basically that's not a setup I want to trade. So it doesn't make really sense. Um, there's like two, it's just low quality conditions. So we have like low probabilities in the market, and we don't want to trade if we like don't have an edge. So it's very high probability to get stopped in here because we have like high resistance. It's a really difficult and bad risk to reward because we have to like have a huge stop due to high resistance, and also like the reward is not really high. So because our target is only like a retracement, we can't really reach for the external liquidity. Therefore our risk to reward is like a 1-to-1 or even worse. And with like not having a really good win rate because I'm still learning, and yeah, so on, it's not really paying off. So it doesn't really make sense, as I said before, and I think I will stop trading such conditions. I traded such conditions before, and I lost a lot on such days. And I think there's definitely a difference to recognize between the opening, if you like have a opening which only like fakes out, but in this case we just rushed lower, swept everything, and didn't even reacted of it. So we swept New York open kills, and we swept also like London lows, and we didn't really have like had a reaction. So that shows to us that we are definitely not bullish, even if we are at all-time highs on a daily chart. But today is Thursday, so tomorrow is Friday. We have NFP week. It's not a really good day to trade, definitely not. But to me, if I'm like at home and I have the opportunity to like look at my charts, I just take it, because like today I'm still learning, so such days can occur on other days as well, and I wouldn't like have such or like I want to get as much experience as I can get, and therefore I'm also like trading days, which I definitely not recommend trading with like live money, or if you have like a evolved and tradable system. So but for me, I'm still learning, I'm still like finding my system, and to me that's basically a key to finding my system. So I'm getting closer and closer with every mistake I make, so therefore I'm trying to get yeah, as much experience as I get, as I said before. But yeah, we also like had the daily wick right here. So that's actually what I liked, because we like rushed down with the candle right here. So that's definitely manipulation. Traded into the daily wick. We reacted off the levels right here, the lower quadrant, consequent encroachment, and then we also like closed above the inversion fair gap. So that's definitely bullish. So now we can trade higher. But as you see right here, with a really wide stop, eventually we will hit our target right here with the SIBI. So eventually it would have been a valid setup, definitely. But the question is, do I really want to sit through all of this? So that's really, really difficult. And I don't know. So I think there are some days which are tradable, like maybe today's maybe tradable because our SIBI is still higher. So I also like traded before days where we definitely weren't bullish, and like our PD array, which, well, our target was like sitting way lower, and therefore like we only like stepped up. Like for example, if we entered right here, we only traded right here into a 5-minute fair value gap and then like instantly traded lower, and that stopped me out. So it's really difficult to say, and I think if it's difficult to say, you don't trade it. So keep your system simple. That's just what trading should be. So whenever you feel like you shouldn't trade, don't trade. So you emotions which come with trading in kind of like trading conditions are always like telling you if you're like on the right side. So if you don't feel comfortable and confident within the markets, you shouldn't trade. So also like because you are emotionally attached to something, but also like because your experience just tells you that this conditions you're trading are not really like probable no, like quality conditions, or probable that you are not really having a edge in the market. So that there are that you have like a higher probability to make money. So that's what I'm trying to say. But yeah, um, that's basically it. So yesterday we had a really nice trading day, and I'm still a bit not upset, but yeah, just um, I don't know, just like sticks in my head that I didn't took the trade rate here because I was too unfocused with my right sell liquidity. But I also learned from that with the regular trading hours that we don't have to like basically fill the whole gap. I actually knew that before, but with seeing it in live charts with the ATM model like playing out, it's way more like I don't know, way more interesting. It's more important to me then, because I like see it playing out, so I know it's definitely working. And yeah, that was the mess definitely right there, and that would have been a really nice long opportunity. But yeah, so I think we could maybe like reach our objective. I don't know. I will, as I said before, stop trading market maker buy models or market maker buy models. So only like 5-minute retracements. So it's not really worth it. Yeah, that's it. I think I will pause it and then you can see if we reach our objective. But yeah, see you soon.